Today is April 2nd, 2020. Over a million people today got infection from coronavirus. Very nice site, world meter info coronavirus. You can look for updates every probably couple hours here, few hours. This how many in the world, and it is by country. Every country how many got people infection coronavirus virus. If you click on USA come out. Same to click on any country, and you can see by state how many people got sick, how many people die. Very good site, world meter coronavirus. Thank you for looking. Good luck.